So probability number 1. In tossing a die, what is the probability of getting a prime number? So ano ba yung die kasi? So siya ay isang cube. Siyempre ang cube merong 6 na sides. So let's say yung 6 na sides na yon merong mga number. So let's say yung front, yung number na nakalagay doon is 1. Yung right side 2, yung left side 3, yung up, yung top 4, yung bottom 5, and then yung back ay 6. So merong number lahat ng sides. So ano ba kasi yung prime number? Okay? Yung prime number, yun yung number na ang factor lang niya ay yung 1 and itself. So halimbawa 3, that is si prime number kasi ang factor niya 1 tsaka 3 lang. Okay? Yung 5, yan ay prime number kasi 1 tsaka 5 lang yung kanyang factor, no? And then yung 2, 1 and 2 lang. Yung 1, hindi pwede. Actually siya ay special, no? Special number. Yung 4, hindi siya prime number. Bakit? Siya ay 2 times 2. Ano pa? 1 times 4. Okay, so bali dalawa yung kanyang. So dalawa, no? And yung 6 naman, 2 times 3, no? Tapos 1 times 6. So hindi pwede. So ang prime number natin dito is 2, 3, and then 5 lang. So the probability is equal to ano? Yung number of success divided by yung success divided by yung possible outcome, no? Yung success is 3. And yung possible na, halimbawa, tinos mo. Kuan mo sa hangin, no? Binato mo sa hangin yung die. Ano kaya yung lalabas na number? Okay? So, yung possible na lalabas na number ay 6, no? Yan o, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lahat ng number na yan ay possible na lalabas. Okay, 6. Pero, ang prime number lang ay 3 lang. So, the probability is equal to 1/2. Number 3, a number between 1 and 1,000 inclusive is randomly selected. So what is the probability that will be divisible by 4 and 5, no? So ano ba kasi yung mga number na that is divisible by 4 and 5? Siyempre, that is also divisible by 20, no? So ilang number kaya yung divisible by 20 kung ang total number mo ay 1,000. So ano kaya yung mga number na yun? 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So yun, divisible by 20 mo yun. Pero para malaman kung ilan sila, ganito lang yan. Yung number divisible by 20, yung 1,000 i-divide mo ng 20, so that is 50. So, ibig sabihin, 50 lahat sila. So, yung probability na yung number ay divisible by 20 is equal to 50 divided by ilang lahat yung number? 1,000. So, the probability is equal to 0.05. Number 4, an urn contained 5 white, 3 black, and 2 red balls. In getting 1 ball, what is the probability that it is not red ball? So the probability is equal to hindi red yung makukuha mo daw. So ilan yung possible na hindi red na makuha mo? Di white, 5 white at saka 3 black. So that is 8. O hindi sila red eh. Ilan yung possible, no? 10, no? Yan. So, the answer is 0.8. Pwede rin naman na ganito. Probability is equal to 1 minus red over 10. Parehas lang yan, 0.8. So, ang tawag natin dito is complementary probability. Ayan. Sige. Okay, so ano naman yung joint probability? So, parang ano lang yan, joint account po. Parang gano'n ang ibig sabihin ng joint probability. So, yung probability nila ay affected ng isa, no? Okay, gano'n ang joint probability. So, example number 5. If 2 dice are tossed, what is the probability of rolling a sum of 6 or 9? So, meron daw tayong dalawang die, okay? 2 dice. So, siyempre yung dalawang die na yan, 2 dice na yan, may number na 1 to 6. Okay? So, kapag binato natin yung dalawang dice na yan, then kunin natin yung sum ng number na lalabas sa kanila. Okay? So, ano kaya yung probability na 6 or 9 yung ating makukuha? Okay, ano ba kasi yung sum ng 6 tsaka 9? 6, that is equal to 3 plus 3. Diba? Pwede rin ang ano? It's also equal to 4 plus 2. Or pwede rin ang 2 plus 4. Pwede rin ang 1 plus 5. Pwede rin ang 5 plus 1. Ibig sabihin yan, yung unang lalabas yung lalabas sa first die is 3. Yung lalabas sa second die is 3. Yung lalabas sa pwedeng ganito, yung lalabas sa first die ay 4. Yung lalabas sa second die ay 2. Or pwedeng magkabaliktaran. Okay? So, ang possible na sum nalalabas kay 6 ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. How about kay 9? 9 pwede ang 6 plus 3, pwedeng baliktad. 3 plus 6, ano pa? 5 plus 4, 4 plus 5. Meron pa ba? Wala na. So, ang 9, ang possible na lalabas na sum niya ay 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the probability is equal to probability ni 6 plus probability ni 9. Okay, take note of the word or. Sa mathematics, kapag sinabing or, automatic yan ay plus. So, this is, ang probability ni 6 is 5 over 6 times 6. Bakit 6 times 6? Kasi, ang possible na number na lalabas kay sa unang die ay 6. Yung possible naman na lalabas kay pangalawang die ay 6. Kaya yan ay 6 times 6. And then kay 9 naman ay, ito ay 4. 6 times 6. So, the probability ng 6 or 9 is equal to, this is 9 over 36. No? So, 1/4 is the correct answer. Number 6. If one card is drawn from a standard pack of 52 playing cards, what is the probability of drawing an ace or a heart card? So, halimbawa, meron kang 52 cards, bumunot ka ng isa. Ano kaya yung probability na ang mabubunot mo ay alas o heart? Okay? So, the probability is equal to probability ace plus probability ni heart. Ayan. Okay. So, ano ba yung probability ni ace? No? Probability ni ace ay 4. Siyempre, no? Over 52. Okay? Sa 52 cards, bubunot ka ng isa. Ang probability na alas yung makuha mo ay 4. Okay? Kasi 4 yung alas. Plus, ano naman yung probability na heart? That is equal to, ilan ba lahat ng heart? 13, di ba? Pero kasi, possible na yung isa, nakuha mo na dito kay ace. Kasi yung 4 na alas, may isa doon ay heart. So, ito ay magiging 12 na lang, no? Okay? So, ang sagot natin dito is equal to 16 over 52, or that is equal to 4 over 13. Number 2, a group of 3 people enter a theater after the lights had dimmed. They are shown to the correct group of 3 seats by the usher. Each person holds a number stub. What is the probability that each is in the correct seat and stub? Okay, so let's say meron tayong 3 tao, then meron 3 seat, no? Okay? So, ang mangyayari, assuming na si A dapat ay uupo dito. Si B uupo dyan, si O uupo dyan. Pero possible din na, no? Si A mapunta doon, si B mapunta doon, si C mapunta doon, magkabali-baliktad sila. Pero supposed to be, si A dyan, si B dyan, si C doon. Okay? So, yung probability ay ganito. Ilan ba yung possible ways? Ilang pwedeng tao ang umupo dito? Di ba 3? Okay? 3 yan, no? So, assuming na si A napunta na dyan. Okay? Pagdating dito, ilan ang pwedeng umupo? 2, no? Si B or C ang pwedeng umupo dyan. So, assuming na si B napunta dyan, so, ilan na lang ang pwedeng umupo dito? 1 na lang. Okay? So, the probability is equal to ano? 3, 2, 1. Okay? So, let's say ito yung first seat, no? Ito yung first seat, ito yung second seat, ito yung last seat, no? Third seat. Ano yung probability na si A ay mapunta dito? 1 lang. Siyempre, kay A lang ito eh. Kay B lang ito, and then kay C lang ito. So, the probability is equal to 1/6. Number 8, 2 cards are drawn at random from an ordinary deck of 52 cards. Find the probability that 1 is spade and 1 is a heart. So, the probability is equal to, so this is independent, no? Independent. Okay? Kapag independent, check nyo to. Ayan, end. Ang ibig sabihin ng end, multiply. Okay? It is probability ni spade times probability ni heart. Ganyan lang yan. Okay? So this is equal to, ano ba yung probability ni spade, siya ay, ilan balat ang spade? 13, di ba? Out of 52. Okay? 2 ang kukunin. Isa pa, times, si heart naman is 13/52. Okay? So, the answer here is 1/16, which is wrong. Bakit? Pagdating dito kasi, 1 na lang yan. 51 na lang yan. Kasi pagdating dito sa first bunot, nabawasan na ng 1, magiging 51 na lang to. So, the answer here should be 0.06. O, bakit malayo? Okay, so pwedeng ganito ang solution natin. Multiply. Since dalawa ang kukunin. Okay, gets ko na. Probability ni speed using combination. Ilan ba lahat ng speed? 13. Ilan ang kukunin? 2. Okay? Times probability naman ni heart. 13 combination of 2 din, and then 52 combination of 2. So, tignan natin. Yan, 2/17. Oh, wala pa rin. Number 8. 2 cards are drawn at random from an ordinary deck of 52 cards. Find the probability that 1 is a spade and 1 is a heart. Okay? So, ganito ang mangyayari. So, using combination, so probability ni spade times probability ni heart, no? That is equal to, ilan ba lahat ng spade? 13. Ilan lang kukunin mo? 1 lang, no? Diyan, no? 1 spade, 1 heart. Multiply it by 13 combination ng 1. 13 lahat ng heart, isa lang kukunin mo divided by 52 lahat ng card, ang bubunutin mo ay 2. So the answer here is 13 over 102. No? Number 9, the probability that both stages of a two-stage missile will function correctly is 0.95. The probability that the first stage will function is 0.98. What is the probability of the second stage will function correctly given that the first one does? So let's say meron tayong dalawang missile. So ang mangyayari, puputok yung first, no? Kung pumutok na yung first, syempre hindi na kailangang pumutok yung second, no? Kung hindi pumutok yung first, meron ka pang second. Okay? So at least isa diyan ang puputok. So yung probability na kahit isa diyan ay mag-function daw is 0.95, no? Yung probability ng isa is 0.98. Okay? Parang ganito. Ito 0.98. Ito hindi natin alam yung probability ng 2. Pero yung probability na lang dalawa ay 0.95. Okay? So ano kayang probability ni 2? So 0.95, ganito lang yan, is equal to 0.98 times probability ni 2. So probability ni 2 is equal to 0.97. 0.97. Okay. Number 10. A class has 12 boys and 4 girls. If 3 students are selected at random from the class, what is the probability that they are all boys? So, probability is equal to ilan ang kukunin? 3, no? So, 3 ang kukunin. Okay? Pero lahat ay boys dapat. So, 12 ang ilagay natin dito. And then, so, yung possible outcome natin ay 12 plus 4 is 16. So, yung lalabas dito is 12 C3 over 16. So, that is 11 over 28 or 0.3929. 11. What is the probability that no 2 people in a group of 7 having the same birthday? Okay, so yung probability natin dito ay 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. So, halimbawa, meron isang tao. Out of 365 days, ilang birthday ang pwede nang pagpilian? Siyempre, 365. And then, yung susunod, 364 na lang out of 365. Then, yung susunod, 363 na lang out of 365 hanggang sa 63, 62, 61, 60, and then 35 na out of 365. Or, probability is equal to 365 raised to, 7. Ito naman ay 365 times 364 times 363 times 362 times 361 times 360 times 359. So, ang sagot dito ay 0.94. Number 12. 2 students are working independently on a problem. The respective probabilities are of solving the problem are 1/3 and 1/4. What is the probability that at least one of them will solve the problem? So, ibig sabihin ng at least one, ibig sabihin pwede na dalawa. Okay? So, ganito. Probability is equal to probability na check si A times probability na wrong si B. O isa lang yan. Pwede rin naman na wrong si A, wrong si check si B. Or pwede naman na check silang parehas. Okay, so this is equal to probability na check si A is 1/3. Probability na mali si B is 3/4. Okay? And then ito, mali si A, 2/3. So 1/4 or parehas silang dalawa na tama, 1/3 and then 1/4. So the probability is equal to 1/2. 13, on a shooting practice, the probability of 3 trainee cops who hit a target is 30, 40, and 45 respectively. If each fired their guns aiming to the target, what is the probability that only one cop hit the target? So the probability is equal to probability ni A, probability ni B, probability ni C, plus probability ni A, B, C, plus A, B, C. So correct, tatama si B, tatama si C. So yan ay 0.3, 0.6, 0.55, plus 0.7, 0.4, 0.55, plus 0.7, 0.6, and then 0.45. So probability is 0.442. Okay?